Hello children, today I'm going to tell you how to draw symbols. So first I will have to draw treble clef. This is treble sign. So I hope this is you can see treble sign, and I'm using whole note. So first if I'll do like this, and one line will cut, this will be ledger line, so this will be C, middle C. Middle C, that this will divide treble and bass. So in piano I am showing it to you. This will be this C. Now let us come to this. When I will draw next sign here below from the line like this, so this will be always D. D, and you have to in piano this D. Now I'm going to show you how to play E note. It will be exactly on the first line. Like this you will have to draw. Now you can see in exactly first line is passing in between. So this note will be E. Okay. Now next note is F. So F in piano it will be, then normally you have to use your thumb here. So this is E, then F, thumb. Now F will come in between first and second line. Now position. Now closely you can see this note name is F. Now I'll have to draw G note. It will be exactly on the second line. Now you can see closely. Note is exactly on here. G note. And G in piano, this note. G note. Then how to draw A? It will come in between second and third line. So this will be E. uh, A. I'm sorry, A note. A. And A will be this. Then after that again I'm coming here. It will be exactly on the third line. So this note will be B. B will be in piano this note. Then next will be C. C of high pitch. So how to draw C here? It will come in between third and fourth line. This will be C. So first you should know, and any symbol can come. If I'll take here, like suppose I'm going to draw here again, this one treble clef again. Then if I'll use quarter note, then this will be again, it can be C. When it will be down and it is filled, D. Then now exactly on first line, so it will be E. Now in between first and second line, this will be F. Then it can, when it will be exactly on the second line, this will be G. Then in between second and third line, A. And now I'm taking it slightly. Now stem will come down, and note, you every time you'll have to see the note head, because stem is not important, because stem can be straight or reverse also. Many times you'll find A in down side also. So this will be B, and now C will be in between third and fourth line, C. So in the same way, next octave can start. So it will be on the fourth line, this will be D, then E. So slowly you will have to learn, because in the case of every note. Now I'm going to draw here the bass clef, and bass clef, this is First, this name is treble clef, and this sign, this name is bass clef, and other name of treble clef, that is called G clef. You can call it G clef also, and bass, it will be F clef, F clef. And now I'm drawing here, I'm using this sign, semi brief. Okay, so when it will be like this, and one line will cut. Again, this will be the same C, but in that case, you will have to use your left hand. This. Now, C. And now I'm taking, I'm showing it in this. When it will be above from the fifth line, like this. Now you can see above from the fifth line. So this will be B, B note. And in piano, when you will have to play, so C, middle C, then B, B, like this. Then again, I am showing it in my copy. Now it will be exactly on the fifth line. Fifth line will cut the note. So this will be A. And how it will come in piano? This A. Now next note, it will come exactly in between fourth and fifth line. This will be G, G note. And how it will come in piano? Normally you have to put your thumb here, G. Now next, again I'm coming here, so it will be exactly on the fourth line, like this. So this will be F. And next note, I'm just showing it here, so at the same time I'll be able to play two notes. And when it will be in between third and fourth line, in between third and fourth line, so this note will be E. So E, F, F is this, then E, both notes. So from C, B, A, G, F, E. Now two notes are left. So it will be, first is D. That will come exactly on third line. So closely you can see it is handmade. So third line should cut the note. So this will be D. And one more note I am making it, which will come in between second and third line. So this will be again C. So this is one octave. So this in piano, D, D by ring finger, and this C. So in bass clef, one octave, this is middle C. Middle C, from here, this side will be treble clef, and this side will be bass clef till end of the piano. C, B, A, then G, F, E, D, C. So in bass clef. And in the case of treble clef, which I made here, just you keep it in mind, this sign. This is for treble clef. So middle C, then below from the line, this will be D. Exactly on the first line, this will be E. In between first and second line, F. Third line, G, A. Then exactly on third line, B. Then in between third and fourth line, it will be C. So in my right hand, this will come. Again, I'm starting it from middle C, C, D, E, then F, G, A, B, C. So C, always remember in the case of C, it will come in between. It will be like this form in the copy. this you will have to learn that C should be line will cut, and this extra line is called ledger line, which I explained in my last video. And in the same, both C are same. When this C will come, then you will have to then you will have to use your right thumb, and whenever this C will come, then you will have to use your left thumb, because this is coming in bass clef. So then in the same C, B, A, G, and always easy to remember line, because line will cut the symbol, then this will come in space. Again line, again space, then line, space, line, space. In the same way in the case of treble clef, line, this because line is cutting this, then D below from the first line, E exactly on the first line, and D is below, and this is exactly on. Now in between first and second line, this will be F. Now in the case of G, it will be exactly on the second line, A in between second and third line, B exactly on third line, C in between third and fourth line. So these two signs always you will have to see, treble and bass. So I think this much is clear. So first you should learn one octave in treble clef and in bass clef or F clef. So thank you very much for joining, and you must watch this video and try to identify. So okay, thank you very much for joining. Have a nice day.